I'm originally from Nepal, and I've been in Ladakh since past 6 years. So I came to Ladakh in 2018 to do a fellowship called Naropa Fellowship on Sustainable Entrepreneurship, and by the end of the fellowship we started this restaurant called the Khambir. So when I initially came to Ladakh, I was very excited to explore and most importantly try local cuisine. And when I went around, all I could find was like food similar to what I find in like Nepal or like even in India, like Punjabi food or Tibetan food, but it was very hard to find authentic Ladakhi food. And after 1 year finally being in around village and different places and homestays, then I got to know about like what is the proper way of making Ladakhi food, what are the ingredients that are available here. And I had this idea that in the market there are like rarely any places that are serving Ladakhi food. And so yeah, it was something that hit me that if I want to start something with food and like business, that is something I can do, and also it's needed in the market right now. And yeah, we've been employing local women from different villages around Ladakh. And here all the things that we made are locally produced, and all the recipes we take it from local villages. And most importantly, the ingredient that we source are from different villages. By the end of the first year we got very good response, and many people started coming, and they were excited to find a place where they can actually try the local cuisine from this region.